Hi and welcome to Scholar Tutorial. I'm Jay, and in this video we'll be talking about librarians. Now we have Odum Grace is the login account, and it happens that her account is for a vice principal. Now the vice principal has the capability of actually specifying that any member of staff on the school system can become a lead librarian of the school. Now, the librarian can either be an ICC admin, can either have the accounts can either originally be the ICC admin's account, the bursar's account, or the teacher's account. Now, you can view already existing librarian through this place, or what create a new librarian through this one. Now, we can click on this and we'll see the already existing librarian on the platform, and we find out that we have this as a librarian on the platform. We can click on it and we'll view it. We can click here and we can deactivate it by clicking there, and this person will no longer have the capability of being the librarian on the platform. Now it says that the bursar is the librarian, account type is bursar, and we have that the date created is this is active and it was created by this person. Modification changes that are done on it, you can see it here. And the other particular stuff that's involved is that we can actually create another librarian after we may have deactivated this one, create another person to become librarian, or we can have multiple librarians on the platform. Now this account can actually state that maybe a lead dyer should become the librarian, will submit it here, and automatically a lead dyer will have access to the work as a librarian on the platform. We have access to the list of books, have access to the list of journals and every other thing that here you can actually manage from this dashboard. So I can actually borrow out books to other members of the school system. And at this juncture, we'll come to the end of this tutorial. Look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial, and make sure you sign up on our scholars.